Hi there. In this short video, we are going to look at how we can use Desmos to explore the relationship between the function in an equation form, the table of ordered pairs, and the graph of the function. This particular problem comes from a practice set from a recent lesson that I recorded, and we're going to look at the graph of the cube root of x. So I'm going to use the keypad down here. I'm going to look at the functions menu. This is our menu of all the things that we never knew that we always wanted. And I'm going to pick that. That's going to allow me to put in an index of 3. And you'll notice that Desmos quickly generates the graph of the cube root of x. So that's wonderful. You can see the equation on the left there and the graph of the function on the right. Now, suppose you wanted to see a table of ordered pairs. Well, you can construct a table yourself, but Desmos will construct a table for you. If I go over to my little gear icon here and click on that, it will give me the option of creating a table from that function. And here we have our independent variable, and it auto-populates with values of x. And then we have f of x as defined by the function above. Now, with the computer, it's no big deal to do the cube root of -2. It just like throws that in and gives us the decimal approximation. But if you were doing this by hand, you would probably want to use friendlier numbers. So you'll notice that the -2 is highlighted. I'm going to go ahead and replace that with a -8 because 8 is a perfect cube. And then it moves the point over. Okay, so yeah. Where did it go? Oh, there it is. So it moved the point over there to x is -8. And I can do the same thing down here. Right now, I have x is equal to 2, but that is not a friendly number. So I can delete that and replace it with the 8. So I can edit the table to explore. And then, of course, Desmos will update the graph with the ordered pairs at the same time. You can also augment the table by adding your own values. So the next perfect cube is 27. So I can go ahead and throw that in there, and it tells me that the y value is 3, and I won't be able to see that right away, but if I zoom out enough, I can see that ordered pair over there. And you can, of course, edit this for whatever you want. So if you wanted to find out what's that point right there where x is equal to 10, you could go ahead and type in the 10. Desmos will give you the decimal approximation of that, and you are able to work with it. So this is a really neat way to develop your connections between the equation of the function, the graph of the function, and the table of ordered pairs, and you can edit that table to do whatever you need with it. So I hope this comes in handy in some of your future math explorations.